In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall LibreOffice program from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To permanently uninstall this program together with its files, look for this program called Control Panel on your computer. If you don't see it, then go to Start menu here and then just search for Control Panel and hit is. If you tap on it, you will see here a list of Control Panel programs. Now from the list, look for Programs and Features option. First, just click on it and this will activate this uninstall. Alternatively, you can just right click on it and you should see we have an option to uninstall it. If you tap on uninstall, you have to confirm that indeed you want to uninstall this by just clicking on yes, and this will begin removing the files from your computer. As you can see, it is getting ready. Then confirm by clicking on yes, and this will remove the program together with its files from your Windows computer. As you can see, the program shortcut has been removed. However, you have to wait until an installation and configuration is done, and that is it. As you can see, the program has been uninstalled. So that's how you can uninstall LibreOffice program from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.